I'm gonna use the power bank to charge the huge RC car. Let's see what will happen when I connect it. Wow, it looks scary. Wow. Gonna connect the battery. I just connected the battery and that's what it's doing right now. It's like that. Wow. It's making a sound. Can you hear that? Beep, beep, beep. Like that. The power bank is going to finish its own battery because charging this battery, I think it's not easy. It's not that easy. See, it's blinking off and on again. And let's check Maisto Tech. Wow. Wow. Caution, attention. I didn't know that this has an extension. Like, I just removed this part, so the cable of the charger extended, which is amazing. I like how it looks. I think that this thing is crazy fast. That's what I think. My first impression. It's gonna be wow, so crazy fast. I just finished the power bank, so I'm gonna install the charger in the other power bank. Charging the Maisto car battery or the maisto car battery, as well as charging other power bank using my emergency power bank, just to see what will happen after I get it fully charged. I'm gonna leave it 2.5 hours as instructed in the manual. Hopefully that does not explode or something. That tells you how to charge it, and it's gonna tell you the hours. Do not